To stand out on Amazon, you need to have not just good but great listing. And to have a great listing, you need to focus on every aspect of the listing like proper SEOs, excellent brand story, and A+ content, outstanding product description, and so on. And how are you going to do that? Well, don't worry. I'm here to help you out. In this video, we're going to compare two product listings, the bad one and the good one, and find out the best part of the journey from good to great Amazon listing. So, let's get started. I have two tabs opened, both are serum. Look at this first one. Well, this is not bad. They already got an Amazon Choice badge and their ratings and reviews are good. In the previous month, they sold more than 300 items. Not bad at all. But in terms of SEO, it is very poor. There a lot can be done in SEO. Also in terms of graphics, this is worst. Let's find out what can be upgraded. The product image. Pretty bad. There are no attractive main images. Here they add only a bottle of serum. Next, they add only a packaging. This image convey nothing, convey no meaning of the viewers. No infograph, no lifestyle, no user instruction, no ingredients images, no videos, nothing. And if you look at the images, you are not sure what the product about and how it works. This is very confusing. Most of the traffic will be gone by now. They can use professional product images and an infographic that shows the best features on it without writing much. Also, they can use user manual images or user instruction that will help people to understand the uses at a glance. They should use lifestyle images. It will engage the traffic. They must have used videos. It will enhance engagement. Videos help people to understand the product better. Here are bullet points. Well, there is nothing. They just add 3 points with no description. How am I supposed to know about what features this product is offering? From the images, I get nothing, and now the bullet point, nothing. From the seller perspective, bullet points are necessary to have, cause here you can put tons of engaging and effective keywords. Here we can play with keywords and it helps customer to understand the product better. Now let's check if it has a brand story. Well, it has one, but this one is not good enough. I will show you shortly what a good brand story look like. However, let's check their A+ content. The first module, doesn't it look so messed up here? It look like they are showing their warehouse. The text is hard to read. If I'm going to buy serum, definitely I am not going to give that much effort to read the text. Oh, by the way, they only add 3 modules as a A+ content. For your listing, you should add at least 5 to 7 modules. This is the next, and this one is even more messed up. Text, text, and text everywhere in these images. It seems where they have to add text, they didn't. And where someone is not supposed to add heavy text, they wrote an essay here. This is not a professional approach. The main purpose of an image is to show things rather than talk too much. Last one is comparatively okay. At least this is not text heavy. Also it conveys a good message. Achieve healthy, beautiful skin. Pretty good. Well, the product description page is unorganized. Just narrate the detail of the product. You were blanket over the listing and all the way down. Now you can finally know by the reading the description what the product is about, what ingredients they used. So these are the things you should keep in mind while listing your product. Well, now move to another example we have here. You can see that they added the box and the bottle alongside. This is a good decision. At a glance, a buyer can have the idea of both. And another thing is that they can highlight some keyword that can grab at people's attention. Now the second image, this is showing the product benefit here. Gazing at the image, you can be informed that this product helps brighter and remove dark spot, reduce sign of aging, and so on. Here you can see they added information of what they use as ingredients: vitamin C, aloe vera, MSM, witch hazel, etc. This is a comparison image. Here you can see they have an idea why they are best, why you should choose them. And these show the application method. At a glance, you will know when to apply, where to apply, how to apply, etc. This shows that they have the #1 online rated serum. Well, when a product is labeled as the best-selling or number one, it can be create a perception of authority and credibility in the customer's mind. Consumer may assume that the product has earned this status due to the superiority and trust the claim made by the brand. And they add videos. Adding videos have several benefits. It enhances engagement and improves product understanding. In most of the cases, adding videos can lead to more conversion rate. This is a wise choice to add a product videos. Okay, now take a look at the title. Their title is up to mark. They added the most important keyword first, like anti-aging. Anti-aging is an effective keyword. Why? Well, people are conscious about aging, and the global market of anti-aging product is worth around $62 billion. Insane, right? So yeah, title is appropriate. And if you read the bullet point they have, this is pretty organized bullet point section. Well, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, they added 5 points. Clear and concise. Here is the interesting thing. Brand story. They added enough images to the carousel. They highlight some of the most important thing here. Here you can see their brand story and multiple products that they have very organized and presentative way. Here they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they have 5 modules in A+ content. Having engaging eye-catching image can be a game changer. A+ content is like a mini landing pages on your Amazon listing. It lets you use high-quality images, text, and even video to tell your product story and highlight its features and benefit. Here, look at the first module here. First, they highlight the brand name. Under that, they add the motto of their product. It shows that they care about their skin. The next module, they add eye-catchy product image. On the right side, they have text that tells about the product's important feature, like it has vitamin C, vitamin E. The next, they show what ingredients they use in their serum. This is a carousel image. You can click here and it will slide to the next image, showcasing the ingredients in the presented way. Next one is also a carousel showcasing the comparison between other. Slide to the next here. Well, in this, they show their collaboration with other brand. And the next slide. Alright, they added the icon. This is the labeling icon that ensure that they are paraben-free, sulfate-free, skin-friendly, vegan, and also they are cruelty-free. And the last module, showing variation of their products. This is a good example of how you should know your A+ content. So scroll down a bit. Okay, this is a comparison chart. This is more organized, more easy to understand. Instead of writing paragraph, they can use chart, which is easy to understand. Information can be found easily. Okay, I think that you got the idea. Here at Ecomclips, we have experts, graphics designer, SEO experts, PPC experts, and everything you need to shine on Amazon and e-commerce world. If I can show you some example of our work. So before you list your product on Amazon, just follow the best practices. Try to implement these tips I showed and shared with you. Watch these videos again, take notes of all this procedure. Still, if you feel lost about creating a great listing, we are here to help you out. We are an e-commerce agency with 12 years of experience and more than 300 e-commerce experts. Together, we help and have been managing thousands of bestseller products. You can get on a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we can use these strategies to level up your account. So check out all these resources or give us a call today. We can talk to you to solve your queries. So thanks for tuning in today. We will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.